Introducing the JVS-N 5-megapixel full-color motorized zoom camera, where clarity meets control. With cutting-edge technology and innovative features, this camera is designed to elevate your surveillance experience. Experience unparalleled clarity with our motorized zoom function. From wide-angle views to intricate details, take control of your surveillance like never before. Say goodbye to the limitations of black and white surveillance. Our full-color technology ensures that you capture every detail in vivid, lifelike colors, day or night. Enhance your surveillance footage with JVS-N's Video Quality Catalyst. VQC ensures crystal-clear images and smooth video playback, providing you with the utmost clarity and precision. Communication made easy. Our camera comes equipped with a built-in speaker and microphone, allowing you to interact with visitors, intruders, or even pets directly from your mobile device. No more worries about losing crucial footage. The built-in SD card slot lets you store recordings locally, ensuring that every important moment is safely preserved. Our camera is not just a watcher, it's an intelligent guardian. Featuring advanced detection capabilities, it identifies vehicles, humans, and even pets, keeping you informed about what matters most.
When alarms activate, notice the distinct blue and red lights, providing a visible deterrent, ensuring your safety is a top priority.
JVS-N's 5-megapixel full-color motorized zoom camera, where innovation meets clarity. Elevate your surveillance game with the power of control, intelligent detection, and superior video quality.